Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to display a menu overlay in Figma. This is a great way to create interactive prototypes that simulate real app behavior, where clicking a button reveals a menu or dropdown without navigating to a completely new page. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started by opening your Figma application. Once you're in, go ahead and open the file where you want to display the menu overlay. This could be any project you're working on, whether it's a mobile app design, a website mockup, or anything else that requires interactive elements. For this tutorial, let's assume we have a button and a sample menu already set up in your file. These are the two key components we'll be connecting. The button will act as the trigger, and the sample menu will be the overlay that appears when someone clicks that button. Now here's an important step. Make sure that the sample menu is positioned outside the frame. This is crucial because if it's inside the frame, it will be visible by default when viewing your prototype. By placing it outside, it remains hidden until the interaction triggers it to appear as an overlay. Next, look over to the right side of your screen and click on the Prototype tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating interactive elements in Figma. The Prototype panel allows you to define how different elements connect and behave when users interact with them. With the Prototype panel open, click on the button you want to use as the trigger. You'll notice a small circle or handle appears. Click and drag from this handle to create a connection line that points to your sample menu. This connection tells Figma that these two elements are linked through an interaction. Once the connection is established, you'll see some options appear. Under Trigger, make sure it's set to On Click. This means the overlay will only appear when someone actually clicks the button, rather than hovering over it or using any other interaction type. Now for the most important part, change the action dropdown to Open Overlay. This is what transforms your menu into an overlay instead of navigating to a different frame. Under Position, select Manual from the options. The manual setting gives you full control over exactly where the menu appears on screen. After selecting manual positioning, you can now adjust the position of the menu. Click and drag the menu preview to place it exactly where you want it to appear relative to the button. This might be directly below the button, to the side, or wherever makes the most sense for your design. You also have some additional options that can enhance the overlay behavior. Check the box for Close when clicking outside. This allows users to dismiss the menu by clicking anywhere else on the screen, which is a common and intuitive interaction pattern. You can also check the Background option, which adds a dimmed overlay behind your menu, helping it stand out and making it clear that it's a separate layer. Now it's time to test your work. Click the play icon located in the top right corner of Figma. This launches the prototype view where you can interact with your design as if it were a real app or website. In the prototype view, go ahead and click the button. You should see the menu overlay appear exactly where you positioned it. If you enabled the Close when clicking outside option, try clicking somewhere else on the screen to confirm that the menu disappears as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive menu overlay in Figma. This technique is incredibly useful for showcasing navigation patterns, drop-down menus, or any other interface element that needs to appear on demand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.